Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. I am Nobel from iexpart. In here we are just gonna learning something special, and if you want to put any kind of wings on any kind of images, so how to do that. So if you want to make memorial images, memorial design, so how to do that in Adobe Photoshop. Today's class we are just gonna learning how to do that. So very first you have to take images what you want to use, so just open it, and always remember that's the quality, so you can check that's quality is better. So now we have to remove the background, and very first we can do this remove the background is a quick selection tools, then remove everything, every single background, so what you don't want to use in here. So and in here you can see this when I just select the images, so some parts are already we don't want to cut out this part, so what to do, just press the alter and just unmark it, so it will be unmarked. So then you can cut it in easily. So you say background is done, so then we have to take a new page, press Ctrl N to take a new page, so that size will be 2500, or you can make it you can reedit your page size, so that's not a problem at all. So just create a new size, but always remember take the resolution, it will be 300 dpi, so when you just be working on final images, so that's the quality will be better. So in here I just increase some inside way. So this is the tools, you can resize your page size. Okay, so then we have the images, so just take the images on this one. So then press the Ctrl T for free transformation, again Ctrl T for free transformation, so press the Ctrl T. Now you can just put the wings in here. So I have downloaded the wings already. This is you can go to the Google and search PNG wings, so you can download this type of wings, or search side view angles of wings, so you can get that. That's really simple way. Just take this wings, just press the Ctrl T for free transformation, press the right button and flip horizontal mode in here. So then just put the wings, and now just you can reedit and resize your wings, so it look more natural. And now just in here we have to do one thing, so for more visualization, more effective, so we have to take just this layer off, the wings layer off, select the layer you want to work in. So in here I have some unessential parts, so I can remove it. I can erase in erase tools. So when you erase the tools, use the erase tools, it will be erase your unessential everything. So in here, so you can essential, just remove it. Just in here use the pen tools, just use the pen tools. Just press the Ctrl C, Ctrl F, again Ctrl C and Ctrl V, just resize the wings. This is the body layer. I just we make it the copy just in a front, so it's look more natural. So in that how you can do that. So then you can make this layer on and go to this then black and white, make it black and white, so you can resize your images black and white. Then you just put a background on the images, so it's done. Okay, then you just you can put a hola on her head. So how to do that, so you just so you can download the hola PNGs. So it's done now. So if you want to add any kind of text in here, so you can do that. So it's a really easy and simple technique. So you can add any kind of images, you can do any kind of text in here. So like in here I'm just gonna put stronger, caps lock on, STRONG. Just you can change your font in here. So when you just click and inherit the font, so you can change your font in here. So and just put the text behind this woman, so it's look good. You can use any kind of font like this. So this is it. So you can make the opacity a little bit lower. So this is it. Export, file, save as, just save in your computer. Just you can convert it to the JPG, so high quality JPG. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much for your love. So if you don't know about the Photoshop, so how it's work, so you can learn in from our channel. So it's really and completely free. So and you also want to Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Animate, so you can learn in this channel. And thank you so much guys, thank you, take care so much, Allah Hafiz.